If you want to make a quick screencast on your iPad, it is easy to set up screen recording. In order to do this, you are going to go to Caregiver Apps if it's within the school day. Otherwise, you will just select Settings. Either way, I'm going to click into my settings, and I'm going to look for Control Center. Once I select Control Center, I'm going to select Customize Controls and scroll down until I see Screen Recording. I'm going to go ahead and click the plus arrow next to Screen Recording, and then confirm that it has been added to my Include list at the top of these controls. After that, I'm going to return to my home screen, and from there, if I swipe down from the top right, I'm able to see a button that looks like a circle with another circle outside of it.
When you tap and hold the record button,
it will give you the option to screen record. An important thing to note is that the microphone defaults to off. So unless you intentionally want a silent screencast,
want to tap on the microphone icon once to enable the microphone to be turned on.
From there,
you can push start recording,
start your recording, and then stop it on the
when you are finished with your recording by tapping the red icon on the top right of your screen. To find your screen recording, you are going to look for the Photo app, which can be found under Caregiver Apps during school hours. When you go into your Photo app, the recording should be under your recent photos, and you can choose how you would like to save or share your recording. You might consider airdropping it to a nearby device or saving it to your Google Drive. You could also post it to Canvas Student or your Seesaw class.